Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can find profitable products to dropship on eBay. So if you just started doing dropshipping on eBay and you don't know exactly how you can find profitable products to dropship, then this video is for you. I have been doing dropshipping for a very long time. It's like 4 years. So I know guys, this video will bring value to you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. As you can see, these are the products I have sold. Okay, so this is just one of my eBay accounts. I have like multiple eBay accounts, so I'm going to add value guys to you. Okay, so I'm going to add, I'm going to try to help you guys with your eBay journey, your eBay dropshipping journey. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have like sold multiple products, and it doesn't really matter what category. I always try to focus into what is proven to work, what people are searching for on eBay. Okay, so the supplier I use, which is going to shock a lot of people, is AliExpress, and I have never had any problem with AliExpress. Okay, compared to Amazon, I'm not going to use Amazon because Amazon like sends the package with their logo on it, and that's really bad. Okay, so I don't really like that. That's what I don't like about Amazon. Like if there is no like logo on the package, I would really like go and do dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. Okay, so I don't really know exactly I don't know anyone who is dropshipping from Amazon to eBay and they don't really have problems with customers saying this product came from Amazon. Okay, most of the time, if that happens, like some of my friends, they tell them, hi, we are out of stock, and then we purchased the item from Amazon, we are sorry. Okay, that's exactly how they solve this problem. But some customers, they are really smart and they are going to open dispute against you, and if that happens like five times and you only sold like 100 products, your account is going to get banned. Okay, but on AliExpress this doesn't happen. Okay, the only problem a lot of people the only problem people think it's a problem, but it's not a problem, is the shipping time from AliExpress from AliExpress. So like shipping from AliExpress is going to take some time because the item location is from China. But trust me, it's not really a problem. I have sold, I would say, thousands of items from AliExpress to eBay, and no one just cares. Okay, because they expect high shipping times, they expect long shipping times. I'm sorry, the reason why they expect that is because the item location, I set it to China. Okay, so that's exactly, they have to expect it, and also below that they will see the message that this is going to take 15 to 30 days. So the customers know exactly what is happening. Okay, so they don't really care. Most of them, they will wait like 2 months. Okay, so because they care about some people, because people are different. Some they want items to arrive in their country very quickly, and they don't care about the price. Some people, they want cheap prices, but they don't care about the shipping time. People are different, so you will have to know that. Okay, because I would say, for example, selling from AliExpress to eBay, the advantage here is cheap prices. Like on AliExpress you can find very cheap products, and people on eBay love these products because they are cheap and they don't really care about the shipping time. Like most of the time it's going to take only like 15 days, and 15 days is not a long time. Okay, these people, they have their lives, so they can go and do their job or whatever, and then they have to wait 15 days for the product to arrive, to for example, to get some back, so to like save some money on these products compared to buying them from United States directly, because it's going to, like, the sellers on eBay, they will charge them more because they have purchased these items from Alibaba or AliExpress, and then they paid for the shipping. Of course, they want also to make some profit, so the shipping price is going to be very high compared to drop shipping from China to eBay. Okay, so finding winning products or finding a profitable products here, it takes some time. Okay, don't let anyone tell you that otherwise. Okay, what you need to do, guys, is to go to AliExpress and find a random product. Okay, it doesn't really matter what products. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes it's going to take you 1 hour, sometimes it's going to take you 2 hours to find 2 winning products. Okay, that's exactly how it works. Okay, that's exactly how this business works. Now you go to AliExpress, you find a random product, it could be any product, okay, and then search for it on eBay. Now the reason why you need to search for it on eBay is we want to know if this if this product is proven to work on eBay. Okay, we want to know if people are searching for this product on eBay. Okay, so as you can see, this is like on the price here on AliExpress is $5, but here if you want to buy this from United States, it's going to be it's $5, it's going to be set $8, almost $8. Okay, so that's high. Okay, I'm going to go here and I'm going to see this guy if he is drop shipping or not. Okay, I'm going to check if his store is from another country or just China. If he is from China, that means he is not drop shipping, because the item location here is China. Okay, I'm going to click on about, I'm going to scroll down, and it's actually China. So this guy is not drop shipping. So what you guys need to do is you want to find drop shippers. And how you can find drop shippers? By going to AliExpress and find random products, okay, and search for these products on eBay and see if you can find people that are drop shipping from AliExpress, and then you can copy them. Now if you just list random products, this method works on all e-commerce websites, websites like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot. Okay, the same strategy. You need to find what is proven to work on eBay. So I'm going to search, for example, for this product on eBay and see if people are selling this product on eBay. Okay, I'm going to search for this exact product. This is only thing that takes time, drop shipping. Okay, this is the only thing that takes time, is to find the winning product. Now I'm going to see if this guy is drop shipping from okay, I'm going to, he's actually from China, so this guy is not drop shipping. We want to find drop shipping like sellers that drop ship. And how you can find that? By seeing the item location, it should be China, and their store location, it should be another country, not China. Okay, that's exactly how you can how you can see if this guy is drop shipping or not. I'm going to check here. This guy is, the item location here is United States, so we don't want to focus on that. We want to find only people that drop ship from China, but the item location is somewhere else. So for example, I'm going to here, I'm going to click on about. As you can see, the location of the store is Sri Lanka. Okay, and the shop here, the shop items, the location of the items is China. That means he is drop shipping. So what you need to do in this case, scroll down and click on see all. Okay, and then scroll down again and then click on sold items. Keep in mind that this is, I got lucky because I find it quickly, but sometimes it takes so long and sometimes it takes less than this. Okay, just keep working, and over time you will get, you will do it fast. Okay, make sure you find only sold items that are sold, and you want to search for them on eBay. You can also you want to search it, you just click on right click, and then you want to just find this product on AliExpress. Okay, I'm going to search for this product on AliExpress. I'm going to click on images, and then this is the products. Okay, it's the same. He is selling this, the price of on AliExpress is $4, and he is selling it for $16. Of course, you will have to pay shipping here, which is, I'm going to change this location to United States first, so they can show you guys the price of this item on AliExpress, which is going to be, it's going to be cheap, of course. I'm going to, traffic lights. I'm going to make sure that I'm not a robot. So I'm going to do that. All right. Now the price here on AliExpress is $1, and the shipping is free. And yet this guy is selling this for $16, and also he sold 23 items, which is really amazing. Okay, focus on this the advantage of using AliExpress. Of course, you are not always going to make this profit. Sometimes you only make $3, and that's fine. Okay, if you make $3 on a $16 item, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's a good, because you are going to sell a lot of items, especially if you are doing this method that I'm showing you right now. As you can see, this guy sold 23 items. Now, what you need to do, guys, is to copy the title of eBay seller, okay, and then paste it on, and then start selling. copy the title of eBay seller because it's proven to work. Okay, people are searching for this title on eBay. Of course, this item also has 22 sold items here on AliExpress, but this title, like people that search on AliExpress are different from people that search on eBay. Okay, so what you guys need to do, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. And I made a video which is 25 minutes completely showing like complete video showing you exactly how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Click the video in the screen right now and drop a like, and that video will explain to you guys the whole process on how you can find unique products, how you can search, like how you can ship them, every single thing. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments in this video, and I reply to every single one, of course. See you guys in the next video.